So the beauty of the CARLUEX PRO Plus is it basically just works like your phone. So I'm going to go into the more basic functions of the system. So if you look here at the bottom, you can add shortcuts. These are the apps you use most often. I can click here on the plus if I want to add Spotify. There it is, good to go. If I want to get rid of it, all I gotta do is hold on, delete, click confirm, and it's gone. Another function is if you want to delete apps that you no longer use, just hold on and drag it up to the top, uninstall, click OK. There we go, and it's gone from the device. Another function is sorting. If you want to sort out your apps the same as what you would do on your phone, hold on, just drag it to another app, and there we've started a new folder. And the final function is LED. So you can see on the device, the circle here has some LED lights. If you want to jazz it up a little bit, you can click LED. There's 4 different patterns to choose from, and there's different colors to choose from. So I click red, you can see the red LED lights are showing. Click another color, and it changes color. Or you can choose to just turn it off.